Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG. We're going to talk about what has happened the past couple of weeks on this stock, where I think it's heading, what my plans are, as well as key support and resistance level of this stock. Just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find any value in today's video, hit the like button. It really helps out the YouTube algorithm, push this video out to more people. Also, if you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release a new video. So let's dive right on into it. Golden Nugget Online Gaming, Gnog, the former LCA. What is going on with this bad boy here? So it hit a high of 28.10 and then had a massive sell-off before bouncing off that SMA line, fell below the SMA line, popped right back up, fell below, tried to go back up, but got rejected, and now we've gone down even more. So I guess the question is why? Well, in my opinion, a lot of different reasons. First of all, when you hit a new all-time high, I think it's pretty common that you're going to see some selling off, and especially in this situation where people had been in this stock for months, and everyone was shooting for $30, wanting the $30 at the stock. And maybe once they got close enough to 30, then they decided I'm just getting out and taking profits, or maybe some stop losses hit off. And then people just, a lot of people just took profits at this point on this particular stock. So I think that's one reason. And also, the hype play of LCA. I mean, it was such a big the big talk, online on social media and all over about how LCA was going to turn to GNOG, and people were just so excited about it. And then once it finally happened, a lot of the hype just died down. So now it's just like another company at this point. Um, so anyways, I think that's one of the reasons. Another reason why I think that it's kind of been inconsistent as of late are these articles that we're seeing off of a website called Investor Place, which some of you may be familiar with. They're very up and down on this stock, which I think is great that they're getting some type of recognition, but it's a little aggravating as an investor because you never really know what to expect whenever they come out. One day it's something good, one day it's something bad. Let me show you what I'm talking about real quick. So this is back starting in December. It says LCA stock, Lancadia shares surge on GNOG SPAC merger update. And then in January, a smooth transition is great news for Lancadia Holdings. And then we talk about 10 of 2020's most fascinating SPAC stocks. LCA, GNOG was one of them. Then Golden Nugget Online Gaming is public and is worth 65% more than what it actually is trading at. And then we get into Golden Nugget is a risky collection of headwinds and shaky finances. Then we have another one, embrace the volatility in Golden Nugget. Then we talk about how it's lost its euphoria. And then now the SPAC merger is too good to be true. And now it talks about how GNOG could finally move forward now that it is actually the merger is completed. And bet on the over in Golden Nugget Online Gaming. And then we talk about how it's going to see $20 before $40. This was as it was trading at $20. And then we talk about how debt heavy Golden Nugget Online Gaming stock can be a disaster waiting to happen. So it's really inconsistent and a little aggravating in my opinion that you have all these different people writing about this stock, and it's up and down, up and down, up and down. We like it, we hate it, we like it, we hate it. And it's almost like clockwork. Every time there's a good article on this stock, I'm just waiting. I said, well, it's going to be 1 or 2 days before Investor Place releases another bad article, and it usually happens. So I think that does have something to do with the way that it has been trading as of late. So where do I see this stock going? Personally, I see this stock going to $30 and beyond. I mean, my exit and take profit point on this particular play for me is going to be around the $30 mark, and this will be my third time swinging this particular stock. So it could definitely go a lot higher than that. I just think it's going to take time because it's going to take time to get more states to get legalized in online gambling and sports betting and things like that. But as that happens, then obviously all these companies are going to benefit from the revenues of the legalization, including Golden Nugget. And the good thing about Golden Nugget is they have that brand name. It's a strong brand name from their land-based casinos. So I do see, the future is, pretty bright for this stock as long as the numbers are consistent as they were, last year, which I see that they're going to be, they're going to be because we just got Michigan and we're going to continue to get more states legalize online gambling. Now, let's kind of look at the charts and see what they're telling us. We did break below that SMA line and got rejected a couple of times. Um, we did break below that 1886 support level, which is a little concerning. Okay, so now 1886 is now going to act as a resistance. So if we can bust through there, then that's a good sign as long as we hold it. But other than that, we have potential downside to go to about the 1668, which would be crazy to think that it would get that low considering how far it's come. But you never know, right? No guarantees of what's going to happen in the stock market. So we're watching to see what happens tomorrow. Good thing for us is we are getting close to undervalued territory, which usually signals that we're trading well below value. Usually people are going to come back in and ride that price up because those prices are attractive for that particular stock at that price. Okay, so moving forward, if you are looking for an entry, now might not be a bad time to get in and see. Um, especially tomorrow if we see that it is starting to kind of move towards an upward direction. And if we can bust through that 1886 level, that is a good sign moving forward. Overall, I'd like to see it change direction and get back into green on the MACD, which we're still in red and have been for a little while. But I'd like to see it get above that SMA line and hold. That way we can confirm that we are really starting a nice bullish trend to the upside. So my plan moving forward on this stock, obviously, I'm waiting until it gets to or around $30. If it continues to go lower and holds lower, which I don't think it will hold this low for very long, then I'll just try to average down and make my cost basis a little bit lower. But again, I'm trying to hold till about that $30 level. So that's all I have for today, guys, and we'll just have to wait and see what happens with this stock here. Wait for earnings. I think earnings are going to be positive, and that can be something that can drive this stock back further up towards that $30 mark or beyond. So again, if you find value in today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. We are so close to that 100 subscribers. We're 5 away. So if you have not subscribed yet and you enjoy our content, please do so we can hit that first major milestone on the channel. So other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.